been doing this, it made me think back to when, you know, I was having my chemo and I lost my eyebrows and my eyelashes.
That's so hard, isn't it?
And you focus so much on those things.
Using quite a light brow pencil, one of the good tips here is to not buy anything too dark. Go maybe a shade or two lighter than your actual brow colour, because then you can't really make any dramatic mistakes. So whether you've got nothing there at all or actually a little bit of hair, you can just kind of draw the brows in. So what you don't want to do is any kind of big hard lines. Just drawing little pretend hairs back in, really. You know, just, you don't want to kind of choose a shape that doesn't look like your own eyebrow. And I know that's hard if you don't have much hair there, but try and go with something that looks quite natural. Sort of slightly thicker along this bit and then just tapered off here. And you'll notice that this colour actually really kind of matches Michaela's hair here. You know, it's not dark. And then we kind of brush through just to give some definition. So no blocky lines, we just want a little bit of definition. And then on this side, so basically we're just trying to create, you know, from the point here, joining it up to that area there with some little hair-like strokes. What you want to avoid is like a semicircle shape or anything too straight, because it can look quite harsh. And using the little brush on the end of a product, you can kind of just comb through so it softens the whole thing. Another great tip is using what we call a brow mascara, which is a very modern thing. So often you can get a product a bit like this that's either translucent or it's got a little bit of colour on, and if you just comb it through, it picks up on, you know, there may be just some tiny little hairs there, but it give it that kind of little bit of definition. You know, even if there's tiny little hairs that are very blonde that are growing back, you can still pick them up with a bit of